The M3R19-1 is a one-section refrigerator that is part of the M3 series by Turbo Air. The door features a field-reversible hinge, opening up more installation location possibilities, and a pressure release device, making it easy to open. The door's gasket is magnetic to help ensure a positive seal. If the door does not seal properly, an alarm will sound, preventing any cold air leaks that might lead to spoiled food. To further ensure food safety, a digital screen displays the temperature, and self-diagnosis programs monitor the unit's condition. This reach-in refrigerator includes 3 polyethylene-coated wire shelves that can be adjusted as needed. LED lights illuminate the interior, which has an aluminum liner and stainless steel floor. A door lock comes standard on the unit to provide security for your inventory. The top-mounted compressor holds the temperature within the range of 33 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. High-density polyurethane insulation is foamed in place throughout the cabinet and door, helping to maintain a consistent temperature for food safety. This refrigerator requires less maintenance than most commercial refrigeration models thanks to a self-cleaning condenser. A protective mesh keeps dirt and dust off the condenser coils, and a rotating brush clears any debris several times each day, reducing maintenance needs and ensuring energy-efficient operation. The hot gas condensate system prevents the overflow of condensate water and is specially treated to prevent the corrosion that can result in refrigerant leaks. For more information on Turbo Air refrigeration equipment, visit KaTom.com or call 1-800-541-8683 to speak with a helpful customer care representative today.